A regular camper van may be fantastic by performance and all, but sometimes a micro camper van is all you need to enjoy life in nature. These camper vans are smaller, super efficient with amenities, and can reach trickier places with maximum convenience. So lean back, relax, and enjoy our video on the 7 micro camper van that can travel anywhere. We'll be starting with the Jerba Cromarty, perfect one to enjoy minimal life in nature. Based on a reliable Volkswagen T6 van, the Cromarty comes in both short and long wheelbase, leaving you with enough choices. In addition, features like swiveling front seats, adjustable armrest, and proper lumbar support make the drive more comfortable. Then comes the spacious interior with a pop-up roof allowing users to move comfortably inside this micro camper van. Last but not least, its proper modularity is something everyone's gonna appreciate. Now, if you're looking for a more sophisticated vehicle with modern feature and amenities, the Marco Polo from Mercedes-Benz will please you. With an advanced multimedia system and control panel on the front, this vehicle keeps everything at the user's fingertips. Also, featuring a pleasant lounge with an integrated kitchenette, fridge, and dinette, preparing some great meals in the wilderness isn't something to worry about. Luxurious interior with proper ambiance and convenient driving experience, everything comes in a pack with this Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo. Next up, we have an interesting one from Westfalia called the Ford Nugget Plus. As its name already refers, this micro camper van is based on the classic Ford Nugget, perfectly modified with high roof construction for a spacious living space inside. With seating for up to 5 people, this camper van has a separate kitchen and living space, making it more convenient for every type of user. And to make the high roof more practical, Westfalia intelligently placed a bed which can be easily folded back for maximum versatility. A proper kitchen with a sink is also available for a complete van life experience, while a cassette toilet has been added for users' comfort. Another excellent Volkswagen T6 conversion kicks in our list with this Calipso from Starlight Campers. With proper energy and power to break the limits, this micro camper van is well capable of reaching some of the trickiest places of your excursion. And to make that even more blissful, this camper van features some impressive layout options with elegance and practicality. Accommodation of this micro camper has a warm bed, a kitchen, and much more for the greatest time in the wilderness. Finally, with a bunch of color options, Starlight Campers leaves you with enough alternatives to choose from. The Contravans Ford Transit Connect conversion is another commendable one to rock your van life with maximum convenience. Why do we say so? Well, you see, this camper van here comes with more or less every amenity one gets from a full-size camper van, but obviously in the most minimal manner. So as a result, taking some time off from your busy life and exploring some lovely places wouldn't be something you need to worry about. From a cozy bed for one person to an efficient kitchen, everything packs in to make this the perfect getaway vehicle. Looking for a micro camper for the whole family? Then this Mercedes Metris conversion from Peace Vans will draw your attention with the perks of a full-size camper van. The first thing everyone will appreciate is its intelligent storage utilization to fit everything inside this small package. With more significant access to the cabinet, stove, and sink, this micro camper makes excellent use of its dual slider doors. Thoughtfully placed appliances are easily accessible due to the smaller space, and thanks to its pop-top roof, users will have much more flexibility and, most importantly, freedom. And finally, here we have the Campercar VXE, a potent one from Sussex Campervans to rock your adventure. Now, if anyone's out in the market looking for micro campervans, it's likely he's already familiar with Sussex Campervans, and for good reason. The top-notch build quality and reliable performance made them this popular, and no exception with the Campercar VXE as well. Built on a Nissan NV200 van, this micro camper van features all the home-like amenities and convenient storage utilization for such adventures. Inclusion of a pop-top roof ensures its ample living space and a blissful experience no matter where the journey takes you. So, that was our video on the 7 micro camper vans that can travel anywhere. Let us know your favorite pick in the comment section down below, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, share and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.